Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 3, Lesson 14, and we are no longer multiplying. Now, y'all, we are dividing with word problems. Yes, guys, with word problems, and some of these problems will have a remainder. What does that word mean, remainder? What does that mean if it says remainder? That tells me how much is what? If you said it tells us how much is left over, you, my friend, are absolutely correct. That is exactly what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be dividing with word problems, and we're going to have some remainders. Here's how we're going to do that. We're using the RDW process. The R stands for read, the D stands for draw, and the W stands for write. So we're going to be reading our problem, drawing a picture, and then writing our answer in a complete sentence. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's our first problem. It says there are 12 students in PE class separated into 4 equal teams. How many students are on each team? What's the first thing that is important to know from this problem? What's the first important detail that they tell us? If you said there are 12 students, you're absolutely correct. Grab those highlighters, and we are going to highlight 12 students. It doesn't matter that it's PE class. It could be PE class, H&G class, math class. It just matters that there's 12 students. What else is important to know from this problem? What are we doing with those 12 students? Yeah, they're being separated into 4 equal teams. I see that word equal though. What does that word equal mean? What do you think? Yeah, you guys, equal means the same in each group. So that means the same number of students has to be in each group. I'm going to put that on top of the word equal. And what are we trying to figure out? What's the question asking us? Yes. How many students are on each team? So we know there's 12 students. Here are 12 students. And they're being separated or broken into 4 equal teams. So that means each group is going to have the same amount of people. Here are our teams. Well, if I put our first friend on team 1, our second friend on team 2, our third on team 3, and our fourth on team 4, we still have students left over. So let's continue to separate our students until there are none left. Make sure you're going in order. All right, let's see. Our third friend for each team is moving to their team, and we have none left. Are our groups equal? Yes, our groups are equal. How many students are on each team? How many? Good job. Yeah, 3 students are on each team. All right, you guys, let's try another one. In this problem, it says we're still using the RDW process to solve the following problem. Remember, RDW stands for read the problem, draw a picture, and write your answer in a complete sentence. Let's go ahead and read this problem together. There are 19 identical socks. How many pairs of socks are there? Will there be any socks without a match? If so, how many? Ooh, that was a long one. Let's read that again. This time, let's look for key details. There are 19 identical socks. Is there an important idea or an important thing to note from this first sentence? Yeah, I agree. What's important to note from this first sentence? Yes, that there's 19 identical socks. So altogether, there's 19 socks. How many pairs of socks are there? There's a word in there. Pairs. Pair means what? If I have a pair of socks, how many socks is that? If I have a pair of shoes, how many shoes is that? Yes, pair means two, you guys. So on top of pair, I'm going to put two because I know that in order to figure out the pairs, I have to break each 19 identical socks into groups of two. So let's see. There's one pair. There's two pairs. There's three pairs. There's four pairs. And five. And six. 7. 8. There's 9 pairs, but uh-oh, this sock over here doesn't have a pair. How many socks are without a match? Yeah, one sock is without a match. And how many pairs do we have altogether? Good, 9 pairs and one without a match. Good job, you guys. I want you guys to try this next one. I'll read the problem out loud. If it takes 8 inches of ribbon to make a bow, how many bows can be made from 3 feet of ribbon? Here's a hint. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Will there be any ribbon left over? If so, how much? Ooh. Let's start with how would I figure out how much ribbon I have in inches? I have 3 feet of ribbon altogether. But in order to make the bows, I have to convert feet to inches. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can figure out how to convert 3 feet to inches. All right, team, welcome back. How do we convert 3 feet of ribbon to inches? What did you do? I did the same thing. 3 times 12. Where'd you get 12? Yes, good. Because I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. I have 3 feet, so I'll be multiplying 3 times 12 in order to figure out how many inches I have altogether. And what's 3 times 12? Good job. Yeah, 36. So now that we know how many inches of ribbon we have altogether, now we are able to figure out how many bows can be made from 3 feet of ribbon. We have 36 inches altogether. Each bow takes 8 inches. 36 inches, 8 inches. How many bows can we make? Let's see. There's one bow, 8 inches. There's 2 bows. How many inches have we used so far if we have 2 bows? Good, 16, because 8 plus 8 is 16. So let's see, we haven't used all 36 inches. There's 3 bows. How many inches have we used? Good, 24. Let's see. There's 4 bows. How many inches have we used? Yep, 32. But hold on, guys. There's one more bow. How many inches have we used? Yeah, guys, 40 inches. But I only have 36 inches. So do I have enough to make this last bow, this 5th bow right here? No, I don't have enough. We can only make 1, 2, 3, 4 bows. And then how many inches would be left over? As a reminder, all 4 bows takes 32 inches. We have 36 inches. How many inches do we have left? Absolutely. 4 inches will be left over. And how many bows did we make? Good, 4. Good job, you guys. You guys did really good with dividing. Until next time, see you later.